Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Tailswipe 7.4 on VMWare Workstation. First to go to Tailswipe official website, it is tails.net. Click on this install Tails. Then see here at the time of installation the latest release is 7.4. Scroll down, see here we have the burning a Tailswipe DVD. Click on it. Then download Tailswipe 7.4 ISO image. See download started, go to download. See here its size is about 1.9 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. See here, I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMWare Workstation. Click on create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Next, select the installer disk image file, then click on browse for the ISO image, that is downloaded ISO image. Select it, click on open, click on next. Now select the guest operating system type as Linux and version as Debian latest version. Latest is 12 here. Click on next. Then provide the name Tails 74 VM. Name can be anything. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on browse and select the path where you want to save virtual machine files and folders. Click on next. Now provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, by default memory selected 2 gigabytes. See, this is the virtual machine summary. If you want to modify any one of these settings, click on customize hardware. See here, memory selected as 2 gigabytes. I want to increase it to 4. So click on customize hardware. Then provide memory in megabytes here, or use this pointer to move up or down. Okay. Then click on close. Click on finish. If you want to provide description for this virtual machine, you can provide here. If you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or select it and click on edit virtual machine settings. Okay, I'm okay with all the settings, so click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is Tails 7.4, and hit enter. See, these are the default values. See, we have the language and formats and persistent storage and additional settings. If you want to configure additional settings, click on here. See, these are the additional settings. These are the default values. Suppose if you want to add the administration password, click on here and set the password. Remember this password, later we need this password. Then click on add. If you want to change these settings, click on them and change. I am okay with the default, so cancel, escape. If you want to create persistent storage, turn on this one. It is up to you. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start Tails. See, we got the Tails voice. If you want to connect tar automatically, select this radio button and click on connect to tar. Now open terminal, console. Now verify the version /etc os-release. See, we have installed Tails 7.4. okay. The first step after connecting to Tails voice is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of this administration. See, we have successfully connected to tar, so click on start tar browser. Okay, we got the tar browser. Now verify the version of the tar browser. Go to help, about tar browser. See, the tar browser version is 15.0.4. okay, close this one, and default search engine for tar browser is DuckDuckGo. See, it is going to upgrade 15 packages. Type the password of the administration. Again type and hit enter. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Tailswipe 7.4 on VMWare Workstation. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.